Okay, so hi dear Cancer. Very, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Cancer Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 5th till the 11th of May. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me, or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for Ho'oponopono Masterclass and Self Love 30 Days Challenge course, links are given below in the description box too. So let's start, Cancer. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. We have the Nine of Cups. There's a sense of desire, wish fulfillment. There's a sense of, okay, happiness towards you. Let's see, let's clarify the Nine of Cups. We have the Page of Pentacles, the Five of Pentacles, the Three of Wands. This is somebody who feels like the damage is too much, and they feel like coming forward towards you, maybe with a friendship kind of offer, and at the same time they feel like moving ahead in their life and not looking back because the situation is too much damaged. Okay, so it's like I don't see this person feels like coming forward towards you with a relationship kind of a deal or something. They feel like, okay, whatever happened happened, we can't change the past, but they still have this desire and this urge to connect with you and start a brand new chapter with you, just like a friend, just like, okay, a good person, like, okay, it was a disaster, but can we be friends again? Okay, that kind of energy I'm getting from this person's side, because they're not able to fully move on from the situation. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cancer? We have the Four of Cups. So from your side, you feel like emotional disconnection, emotional dissatisfaction. Even if you have options, you are kind of stuck on a particular person or situation and you're not happy. Hmm? Let me clarify the Four of Cups here. We have the Knight of Wands, the Seven of Wands, and the Five of Cups. You feel like you should not act on your impulses. There is a strong desire to go in a particular direction, but you feel blocked in that direction, and it's making you feel very, very sad and disappointed. You are stuck on a particular person and particular situation, and you feel like you should do something about it. At the same time, you're feeling super blocked in that situation, in that direction, and you're very disappointed that it's not happening. Okay, you are disappointed by the fact that you are disappointed and you should not be. Okay, cool. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Cancer? Knight of Wands. Their intention is to do something about the situation, like take some kind of action in this direction to make something happen. Okay, let me clarify the Knight of Wands. This person is still very immature, still very on and off, in and out kind of energy. They have not grown up yet. They haven't grown up yet. It's going to take time. Let's clarify the Knight of Wands. We have the Magician, the Knight of Swords, and the Four of Swords. They're manifesting action. They're manifesting action and direction, and they want to heal the situation between you and them as fast, as quickly as possible. But again, the maturity, the groundedness, this sense of stability is still missing. This person definitely wants to come forward towards you to heal the situation, but with childish energy, with the passionate energy of, yes, let's do it, let's sort it out. There's no sense of maturity and groundedness in their energies whatsoever. And it's not their fault, because then this is what they this is how they deal with things. This is their energy, this is their nature. There's nothing wrong or right about it, it's just what it is. So they want to manifest an action, they want to manifest a situation, some kind of energy where they will be able to heal the situation between you and them, but they don't know how. Okay, the groundedness and the maturity of the how is missing here. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, honey? Wheel of Fortune. From your side, you just want to like let the divine do its work. You just want to go with the flow, and whatever is meant for you will come to you naturally and organically. This is the kind of attitude that you want to have. Let's clarify the Wheel of Fortune here. Okay, we have the Fool, the Five of Wands, and the Star. You just want to take the leap of faith with the universe, and you just want to let go of all the chaos and drama and the conflict that's happening in your love and relationship area from quite a long time now, and especially from past 5 months. And for some of you, maybe it's from last 5 years. Your love life is completely messed up, and now you want to change something. Now you just want to work on yourself, your deep rooted healing. You just want to remain optimistic and positive with the idea that someday you are going to connect with the person that's actually meant for you and that's actually good for you. Until that time, you just want to go with the flow and let the divine do its work, but still clear of any kind of drama and chaos and conflict. You're done, you're tired. Yeah, yeah, you're tired with this. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 11th of May, honey. We have the Emperor. It's like taking the charge of the situation in your hands, making some kind of choice or decision and sticking to that. Like, this is what it is. It's my way. Right, let's clarify the Emperor. We have the Three of Pentacles, the Nine of Cups, and the Six of Pentacles. You are going to be like, okay, I'm going to make something happen. You are going to be very much in this energy of optimistic and positive kind of energy, like balancing it out kind of energy, where you're like, I know how to make things work out, and I'm going to make something happen no matter what. So there's a sense of, I am going to make it work out. I'm going to work on this with all of my heart and soul, and I'm going to make this situation as balanced as possible, but I'm going to do it like my way. Nobody should tell me what should I do. Nobody should dictate me. It's my way or highway kind of a deal. So it's like you are going to own up to the situation. You are going to be like, okay, let me handle it my way, because I know my way is going to work out, and both of us are going to be happy, and both of us are going to be having a very balanced kind of energy. I don't know what you're going to do, but it's like you are going to get up one day and you are going to be very determined to make a collaboration partnership work out with all of your heart and soul, and you are going to be like, I know how to make this happen, and I will do whatever it takes to balance the situation. Okay, now balancing the situation can mean a lot of things, but you are giving me a sense of, I am going to make this work out. I don't know how, what you are going to do. You're like, I know, Anjali, I know. Okay, best of luck for you. The guidance is the Two of Pentacles. Okay, so until unless you are 100% stable in your own energies, and until unless you know that whatever you are doing is good for the highest good of both the energies or all the energies involved, don't make any kind of life changing decision, or don't make any kind of solid plans until unless you are 100% sure that this is what it is and how it is going to be. Especially within yourself, if you're not feeling confident enough and stable enough to make any kind of choice or decision that you should not be making in that kind of on and off or in and out kind of energies, don't do it. Take your time. It's your life. It's not a video game. Like, it's not like you are going to force something to happen. Never happening. It's like you cannot force it. Yeah, so that's the deal that you have to work on. Otherwise, I do see it's okay, it's cool. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.